Seth, quiet. Hey guys, Hillcrest here. Welcome back to another video. Whoa, I almost tripped. We're doing Nerf 4 today.
I'm about to kill you all until you die.
We're gonna do a Nerf 4. Should we do a first person Nerf 4 like last time with the
Yes.
thing?
Put it on.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab the piece. So
I go first.
Okay, I'll be right back. I have to go grab the piece. Yeah, so today we're doing a first person Nerf 4 2. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab the piece.
So guys, right now it's Tristan here. You're gonna be looking at us having a Nerf war. So yeah,
Okay, forget this one. Okay guys, so Tristan, here, hold up the camera. So Tristan is gonna be the first person. Tristan is gonna be the first person to be recording. My mom is selling something right now. Tristan's the first one to record. It's gonna be his view for the first round, but we're still gonna be recording all of this. Let's get into this. I'm still getting ready, so Okay guys, so this is Tristan's gun. I'm just holding it right now.
this is me,
So
the Deathery.
Paul and Matthew are over there at their house. We really don't want them to come because then
We'll die.
they'll have
Then
to
you
play.
can't. Then they won't. Then no one Seth won't be able to play with me.
So we're hoping they don't come. It would really suck.
Paul said shut
Oh, okay, that was yeah.
Which means if he says shut up to you again, no one gonna shut.
So the way the game works this time is, guys, listen up. The way the game works this time is if you get shot 10 times, you're dead.
Paul and Matthew are in the car. I called them.
Or actually, no, that's easy mode. Hard mode is 3 shots and medium mode is 5 shots.
Can we do medium mode?
Let's do medium mode.
No, how about you do easy mode to start with?
Okay, we're starting out with 10 shots. Then we're gonna do
But what about me? I don't have a mask. I'm gonna get shot in the. I get shot in the eyeball.
That's okay. I got shot in the eyeball and that was fun. Anyway, so this first round we're starting out with easy, 10 shots. Second round we're starting out with 5 shots. Third round we're starting out with 3 shots, or doing 3 shots. Okay, here you go, Tristan.
You were mean to me yesterday, like. So right now you're gonna see my view. 3, 2, 1, we're going out. That's Noah and.
Scream when you're ready to go to your base. Go, go, go!
Give us good luck, okay? Let's go, go, go. Okay, this is Call of Duty right now. Call of Duty, let's go. No, I didn't scream it. Dang it, I thought you didn't take that spot. Dang it. Come on, guys, let's go. Okay, so Noah's back there. Noah, show them where you are. There's Noah right there, and Seth is in the fort, and I'm going to be somewhere where they won't know. But over by my house. Okay, so guys, right now, I screamed, that means the game is on. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. I screamed. Ah! Hey guys, no one's chasing me right now. We need to run. Go, 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 go. Going for Seth, but yeah, so guys, I'm taking his base. Let's go. Wait! Right there, he's trying to shoot me. No, but what if you have an extra mag?
Yeah, that's okay.
Wait, pause. It jammed. I'm on pause right now. No, you can't get me. Oh my word! You guys are teaming up? Got you.
No, you missed it.
Oh! Your cat is relaxing.
I know.
Watch out.
Oh, that counted. It
No.
hit the camera.
Yes, guys, right now he didn't really hit me. He just hit the camera, you guys. Oh God, dang it. The kitty was like, I'm out.
I hit you.
Once.
Scary.
Gotcha. I win. Finally, the first round.
The cameras are seeing the ground. Cameras seeing the ground. Everyone's looking at the ground. You almost
Okay, guys, I just won. Yeah, I just won.
shot Ash.
I just won, boys.
I don't feel like doing a second round because this video's already been like how many minutes?
Yeah, how about we do the second round just with the video? So, guys, yeah, I hope you liked that round. I won this round. So, yeah,
Thanks
bye.
for watching. This is Hillcrest
Signing off right now.